Very fast. No need for the more expensive K version. 4. 5 GHz on all 8 core at 100% utilization on a B360M motherboard. More than enough for gaming. Perfect complement to my RTX 2080. Neither are ever bottlenecked. This processor is the best one so far in my opinion. The price is very similar or the same as the 8700. What this does lack is hyper-threading, but I believe that's what makes this one better. They are only using pure cores. Just what I need. Would great and fast enough to handle all my games. Everything's okay, but the thermal paste of the heatsink got a bit of cardboxes dust that comes with the heatsink. The turbo boost on this thing is insane. I don't know why anyone would go for the K-suffix counterpart. It pulls 1.2 volts from the wall, which is pretty high for a non-overclockable CPU when gaming at 1080p on ultra settings. Make sure you get a good heatsink. The one that comes with the processor will not suffice. It runs cool at 60-ish games on full load during gaming with a good cooler. I know there are faster CPUs, and for those that plan to redline things and overclock, this is not the CPU for you, but I find myself ecstatic with the performance of this CPU. The low TDP means that my small form factor build runs cool and quiet even when I've got things running full tilt. Sure, I might be able to buy a CPU that can be overclocked and squeak out a couple more percentage points of performance, but then I'd have to worry about heat. No thanks. This CPU rocks just the way it is. Highly recommended. Intel made a whole new chipset for this 9th generation, which was smart, because the AMD Ryzen have issues with their older chipset. The board manufacturers are not updating the BIOS. If you want a no trouble build, go Intel until AMD gets their stuff together. Easy to install, fast, and runs cool. Ordered with Noctua HSF assembly, which is massive overkill for this system, as it won't be overclocked or used for games. I just want to avoid obsolescence. Runs at 80 degrees Fahrenheit or less in a Corsair 650D case, and the system is pretty quiet. Click link in description for more reviews.